Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video I'm going to show you another delicate earring pattern, the mandala earring worked in green crochet thread. The written pattern of this earring is available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So for this project I'll be using Anchor's pearl cotton crochet thread, and we'll need fish hooks, scissors, and I'll be using 1.25 millimeter crochet hook. So starting round 1 would be work a magic ring, and then in the magic ring work a chain 3. So this chain 3 will be considered as our first double crochet. Then go ahead, work 11 more double crochets on the magic ring, and then once you are done with that, work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3 to close this round 1. So at the end of round 1 we'll have 12 double crochet stitches. We are considering our chain 3 as a double crochet stitch as well. And then once you are done with it, tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. So for round 2 we are going to work a chain 2 and double crochet on the same stitch together. So since this is the first stitch, we are going to work a chain 2 and start, and then once this is done, work a chain 1. In the next stitch we are going to work double crochet 2 together, and then followed by a chain 1. And in the next stitch again work a double crochet 2 together followed by a chain 1. So in all the stitches we are going to work double crochet 2 together followed by a chain 1, and then work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 2 double crochet together to close this round 2. So at the end of this round 2 we'll have 12 double crochet 2 together with in between chain 1 spaces. So go ahead, work this round. I'll meet you at the end of this round 2. So we are done with round 2. So before proceeding with round 3, I am going to work a slip stitch on the chain 1 space of round 2, and then work a chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet. Then go ahead, work 2 more double crochet on the same chain 1 space. So once we have worked all these 3 stitches, I am going to work a chain 1, and in the next chain 1 space of or previous round, I'm going to work 3 double crochets followed by a chain 1 space. So in every chain 1 space of the previous round, I'm going to work 3 double crochet stitches followed by a chain 1, and then once you are done with that, work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3 to close this round 3. So at the end of round 3, I will have 12 sets of 3 double crochet stitches follow in between chain 1 spaces. So go ahead, complete the round 3. I'll meet you at the end of round 3. Before proceeding with round 4, I'm going to work a slip stitch onto the second double crochet stitch on our 3 double crochet group, and then work a chain 1 and work 1 single crochet on the same stitch. This chain 1 does not count as a stitch, and in the chain 1 space of the previous round, I'm going to go ahead work 5 double crochet stitches. And once you have worked 5 double crochet stitches, I'm going to work 1 single crochet on the second double crochet of the 3 double crochet group of the previous round, and then I'm going to work 5 double crochets on the chain 1 space of the previous round. So we are going to repeat this pattern around. On every chain 1 space, I'm going to work 5 double crochet stitches, and then I will work 1 single crochet on the second double crochet stitch of the 3 double crochet group of the previous round. So I'm going to work this pattern around, and then I will work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet to close this round 4. So this is the last round of our earring. So once this is done, I'm going to fasten off and weave my ends. So go ahead, work this pattern around. I'll meet you at the end of round 4. So now I have completed my round 4. So I'm just going to fasten off, and I'll be weaving in the ends. So this is our earring pattern. So go ahead, weave all these ends, and I've made one of these earrings, and we need to make one more of the same pattern, and this is not stiff enough to attach to the fish hook, so we need to block it. I have given you the complete blocking instructions in my sunburst earring video tutorial. I'll add in the link of those video tutorial in the description box. So next step is to add in the fish hooks. I've added in the fish hooks to my earrings, and we are done with our earrings. So this is such a simple and easy pattern that you can easily follow and make these earrings. So do try this earring pattern at home and let me know your comments. The written pattern of this earring is available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.